So if your cylinder head is correct, or you have suspicious that it's correct, then you go to Darkside Development's website and you get yourself a brand new AMC complete cylinder head. It comes with the valves, valve retainers, everything. And I believe that this cylinder head is used on various engines. The only difference, I believe, don't quote me on that, I believe, are the cams. The camshafts, I believe, are different. The head, I believe, is the same. As we can see, it's 700 pounds, which is a lot of money, but in the same time we get brand new cylinder head. Always buy brand new head bolts, always, and that's a must.